guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make this very interesting and cute stitch. I will be using my 2.5mm hook and my white acrylic yarn. Okay, so to start with, we are going to start with our slip knot. Okay, and for this project you will be working on a multiple of 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, so if you want this longer, okay, you can. Okay, so from here we are going to wrap, okay, and we are going to skip 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th, okay, we are going to do our double crochet. And chain 1 and then pull up our yarn, and then from this space here we are going to pull up our yarn, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, and then we are going to close it off, okay, and finish. Okay, then after that, okay, we are going to skip 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and then to the 4th we're going to do our double crochet. And it's the same, chain 1 there, and then pull up our yarn, and from here we are going to pull up our yarn, 2, 3, that's 3. Just give me a second. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, and pull up. We complete. Okay, and the third, 1, 2, 3, to the 4th. Okay, then pull up our yarn. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, and then complete. Okay, and to the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th. Okay, so we are just going to continue that, guys, okay, and to the end of the row, and I'll come back and show you what to do next. So I will be before we finish, I will come back and show you guys how to finish it. Okay guys, so we are here before the end. Okay, so we are just going to double crochet into that last, okay, and then turn our work and into this first here. Okay, we are going to single crochet and 1 2 3 4. Okay, then do our single crochet, and then from here we are going to chain 1 and then pull up the yarn. Okay, so from here we are going to work again. Okay, 1, that's 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 2 4 6 8, and then pull up all the loops. Okay, and then now we will be working in this space. Oh no, wait, sorry guys, we have to go back there. Okay, so we have to chain 4 1 2 3 4, and then in this space here we have to single crochet 1 2 3 4, space, single crochet 1 2 3 4. Okay, single crochet 1 2 3 4, single crochet 1 2 3 4, single crochet 2 3 4, single crochet 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4, and then here in the end we're going to do our single crochet. Okay, and we are going to turn our work then into this space here. We're going to do to insert there and do our single crochet 1 2 3 4, and do our double crochet. Then we will be doing the same thing. Okay, so pull up the yarn and we will be working okay until you have 8 loops on your hooks. Okay, so 2 4 6 7 and 1 more, we have 8. Close and then we will be working in this space here, and we do our double crochet. And the same. Okay, until we got our 8 loops. So 2, 4, 6. And 8. Close and then double crochet into the next. And the same. And we are going to do that, okay, in the entire row. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 7, and 8. Close and continue to the next. Okay, so as you can see, guys, as you can see, this is our project looks like. Okay, so you just have to continue that, guys, when you get to this end. Okay, don't forget to, when you got here to the last, okay, and then you finish this one, and then you just have to double crochet, okay, and then you have to continue. Okay, guys, thank you very much, guys, and thank you very much for your support. And if you're new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button if you like, and press that notification bell so you get notified every time I will post a video. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Bye.